hope you're doing well. I welcome all the ladies on the website named as Lemibra. Guys, I wanted to tell you that this is not my website. I'm not the owner. I'm just here to review the site and give you a genuine analysis and authentic reviews. Surely after my reviews, ladies, you'll get to know whether is Lemibra a legit or not. So guys, let's start with the review section. Have a look at the homepage, guys. It is stuffed with variety of comfortable bras. It is crafted for women assistants. It is available in different colors, in different sizes, so yes, you can explore it. So guys, if you are gaping to have a comfortable product at pocket friendly prices, you can explore this website once. The sale is going on, guys. Just hurry up if you wanted to have something. Then 100% satisfaction is guaranteed. This website claims to give you satisfaction. The color are available, sizes are available, easily add to cart, and then buy it now section is there. The Lemibra say goodbye to sagging and back fat. This claims to give you a wireless support to your breast. Then guys, after that, we'll straight away see what else the website has for you, for your assistance. Guys, some reviews are also available on the website. You can check it out before making purchase. Next is, guys, privacy policy. Let's see what privacy policy spoke about the brand. It has all the information about its customers, the consent is given, how to withdraw their consent, disclosure, and all the options are available. Just go ahead with it and just look at it what it has for you. Guys, next is terms of service. As you know, the terms of service plays a very crucial role for the customer as well as for the site. The overview is given. Just go ahead with overview. Then section 1, online store terms is given. Section 2 is given. All the sections about terms and services easily applicable over here. Just go ahead with. Guys, next is refund and return policy. This is the important part because as a customer, you guys wanted to place an order to only those websites where this policy is available. Because if you didn't like the product, if you didn't love the product, you wanted to get it exchanged with some another. So 15 days return policy is available. Some additional non-returnable items are gift card, downloadable software products and more. Just look at it, guys. Scroll it down, then we'll have a contact us section. As a customer, obviously you wanted to talk to someone who can resolve your issues. So yes, at Lemibra store, the address is given. The hotline number is +1 203 457 8171. The email is bra@shophead.com. Opening hours is given. Write your name, your email address in message. Guys, next we'll see all the information are also given about FAQs, payment methods. Tracking search is an add-on because it is not available on many websites, so you can track your order too. Then guys, after reviewing all this information, guys, in my opinion, if I tell you, the site is not legit as all the details are not available or mentioned on Google. No reviews are there, guys. Yes, there is a brand named Lemmy. Yes, and even it is a renowned brand too, but Lemibra doesn't exist. So I won't trust on the brand, and even it doesn't have any social media presence. So when you write Lemibra on Amazon, it will showcase you bra of some different brand. So do not get trapped in a temptation. Do search from the available resources. Make your buying decision then only. We declare it as a scam. So guys, share your comments, as your comments will decide the legitimacy of the brand. So do share your experience and comment on the comment section. If you like our information, guys, do hit the like button, and for more information like this, subscribe our channel. If you like our information, then please subscribe too. Guys, thank you for listening. Have a great day. And before signing off, I would suggest you research for the product and then make a wise decision. Go through our reviews too. We won't recommend you to spend a single penny on such products, guys. So thank you so much. Have a great day, and please select your online brand carefully. Thank you so much, guys.